Let's do the math. Chiu, principal investigator on the project to make fruit butter recipes from local Ontario farmers' produce, tells us that it takes about 544 kilograms of fruit, reduced through cooking, to make 454 kilograms of fruit butter. Divide that by jar size, 200 grams per jar, and that means the team's mid-size scale-up of fruit butter formulations, now sold to several Toronto-based food outlets, results in 2,300 jars of a fruit butter from 544 kilos of fruit. That's a lot of stirring, and that's only the beginning. The food science team at George Brown and industry partner Mill Pond began the project by choosing 4 distinct and distinctly delicious Ontario fruits: apples, peaches, pears, and plums. Mill Pond also came to George Brown with examples of traditional fruit butter recipes. Chiu and the food science team rewrote these to establish a gold standard for formulation and production for a quality fruit butter every time, with consistent taste, color, and texture enhanced by honey and apple cider vinegar. The gold standard was then applied to small batches of fruit butters, 8 to 10 pounds or 4 or 5 kilograms of product, which were kettle cooked the traditional way in the college's culinary labs to preserve their nutrients and flavors. Throughout the process, a total 75 prototypes of various flavors and concentrations were created before arriving at the final 4 products. All were regularly tested by Mill Pond in small groups in George Brown. Students on the project have also learned how to develop scale-up formulas to move from small batches to manufacturing-level batches. They have also observed the production process at the manufacturing plant that Mill Pond is using until its own facility is up and running. George Brown design students have also been involved in precise nutritional jar labeling of the final products to meet regulatory and legal standards. On another Chiu and students' recipe development project, with flour supplier N2 Ingredients, the team has demonstrated the unique, multi-purpose properties and applications of the company's new gluten-free product. The team has created a range of easy-to-make, everyday foods using the new flour. The recipe formulations have been included in a booklet that N2 gives to its wholesale and retail customers as an incentive to purchase the new flour. On a third project for the Chiu team, a quinoa-based line of beverages for those with lactose intolerance, the team optimized the original formula of industry partner Your Fitness Dish Inc., added and tested natural flavor options to the line, established processing methods, and prepared for larger batch scale-up. Central to this process has been the conversion of volume-based ratios of recipe ingredients to manufacturing standard weight-based measures, which produce a consistent quality product, batch after batch. Quinoa, which has a pleasant nutty taste, is an ancient South American supergrain, a powerhouse of nutrients with general health benefits for many people, as well as providing a soy or rice alternative for those with lactose intolerance.